Hi everybody, we're back. I'm going to continue on with this project and finish these stairs and railings. So here I want to go into this view and I want to temporarily hide this category, which is ceiling. And I want to just focus in on this stair here so we can kind of see what's going on. So actually here you have no railing from this point. Let me just do shaded view so you can see. We don't need that. We can go back to hidden line. So now what I'm going to do here, I want to go into my architecture tab in this view. And I want to go architecture railing. I want to sketch a path. And here I want to offset this at 2 inches. Just want to be 2 inches off the edge, not 23, just 2 inches. And I want to use pick line command. So I want to pick here and here. And that should do it for that. And let's go finish. Okay, so there's our railing here. But we also need railing at this point because you can fall off here. So I think we need to go from here to this to this. Yes, this to here. So let's go again with the pick line. Wow, that offset went away. 2 inches on the pick line here. And for this, I just want to drag this back to this railing right here. And then we'll finish it. Okay, so there's our railing. And the focus on this exercise is really going to be for how we're going to start our structural model here. So this project, we're going to use this project as an individual, as one person doing it, or a linked model, because other model types you have to, be in a great big, in a cloud or central model for huge projects. But this is just a little bit of we want to work on. So let's go in and let's look at our, actually we don't need this view anymore. Let's shut it down. I'm going to close that. And now what I want to do is I want to introduce you to Revit 2023. So I'm going to go open. I'm going to go with a new project. And here we want to transfer some project standards. So we're going to create a file from the structural template. And under the new headings, okay, so this is what we're going to do. Let's see. I do not see what I'm looking for, so we're going to browse. So for this project, we want to look at the structural analysis default template. It's right there, and we will say open. And we want to go okay. Now, I want to tile these views because this is level 2. No, I want this to be level 1. So I want to be in level 1 floor plan here. Yes, this is the one I want to be in. So from a level 1 floor plan, and then we have open the new structural template. So what I want to do here is from this file right here, I want to go and I want to manage. I want to go from the manage tab here. I want to transfer project standards. And from here, let's see, that's what I want to copy from the project. And then I want to select none. Okay, so we have none selected. And all I want to check off of this list is slab bed settings. And I want to go V templates. Okay, that one. Then I'm going to say OK. Now here, we got these types that already exist but are different. I could say new only. Okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to say overwrite. Should get a warning here. Yes, I got a warning saying that sled bed sticking has been renamed to, okay. That's okay, we can live with that. Okay, so now once that is done, we will go into our views here. Actually, we don't even need this guy anymore. We don't need this file anymore. But let's just leave them open for the time being, just in case. But this file can go away once we did our transfer cross. Okay, now, yes, let's say this guy right here, we don't need him anymore. Let's just close it. And okay, didn't need to save anyway. It's done. Okay, now here, once we are back over here into our drawing, our project file that we've been working on, we want to go into our structure tab or views. We want to go to plan views, and here we want to select our structural plan view. Now, as you can see, there's our structural plans already generated. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select level 1. I'm going to click OK here. And there, as you can see in the project browser, this is our new structural level 1 plan. Okay, now what we'll do from this point, we want to rename this. We'll call this level 1 structural. Let's just go this through. Let's do this like this: level 1 slab and foundation plan. And okay, now it says, would you like to rename the corresponding levels and views? Here we want to say no. We want to just say no right here. Okay, now we're in our, this is our level 1 structural slab and foundation drawing. So from this view, from this drawing here, we want to go into our properties and we want to select this, set this discipline to architectural, from coordination to architectural. And I want to set the view scale to 1/4 inch. Okay. Okay, now at this point, we have our settings good to go, and then we want to go and look at our view range here. Let's see. Boy, I have a hard time finding these things. View range, where are you? Okay. The little dialog box. Interface. Man, I got bad eyes. There you go. So here's our view range, and all these settings look pretty good here. I'm just going to say okay. Well, let's have another quick look at that. Yeah, that's okay. And now I want to go into click my visibility DB here, and then I want to select all these my filters I select. Okay. Okay here. And now I want to go into my right click here and want to apply view templates to this view. And I want to select structural foundation plan here. I'm going to untick that box and I want to say okay. Apply properties. I'm going to say okay. So there's our floor plan. And now right here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it there, and these doors have to go as well. So I'm going to right click and just hide these in view. Okay, so there's my the start to our structural foundation slab 1, but I'm going to leave it here, folks, and I'll pick this up in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.